Guys, we're going to... Where are we gonna go, miss?
Heaven. We're going to London.
Going where?
We're going to London. Yes.
And then we exit in Canada. And
I thought we will exit in Africa.
North Korea.
We're going to London.
So,
Korea.
see you there, guys. It's so cute, Dads. Wow, I love it. Nakawin natin na, Dads. Ang ganda. Oh my God. Woo! Huwag mong sabing magnanakaw ako. Ikaw naman. Ah?
Oh, ano sasabihin?
Oh, dito na naman tayo sa vlog natin na anong sasabihin. Kung hindi dat.
Yung nandun tayo sa ano.
Hello everyone, we're here in Dubai. So, how are you going there? Bahrain sign. Dito tayo sa Khalifa, Burj Khalifa. Shout out Jerry63, how are you? Sir Thomas and Ken Balena. Ace, where are you? Jonathan Saino Garcia, how are you? I hope you're everything good.
Okay, done. Guys, we're making gala-gala na. We're here on the way. We're gonna go and make the gala-gala. Hi, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
Here. Dito ba? Dito? Di ba dito? Ayan yan. So, ito po yung magagandang chika baby. Mag-hi naman kayo, mga chika babe. Ang gaganda nila naman. Wow. Sana all. Punta daw sila sa, hindi ko alam kung saan sila pupunta. Sana ang punta nyo mga girls.
North Korea. Dito po tayo sa welcome to airport.
So, airport po daw po ito. So, dito na po tayo sa airport.
Airport po yan ng North Korea.
Oh, airport ba daw ng North Korea? Wow! Outfit check muna. Outfit check.
Outfit check.
Alay! Ngayon, sexy guys. Naka-crop top ang girlash. Wow!
Bagay ba?
Ang gandit nga eh. Ang sexy. Sana all.
Huwag ka paglabas ko ng bahay, nagsuot ako ng black.
Siya isang pagkain niya. Kasi hindi daw siya pwede sa ating pagkain. So, yan po ang kakain. Si shout out. Shout out. Shout out Salmon.
Our boyfriend.
Yeah, for you.
Okay.
Guys, watch our YouTube channel. Nanay. See our YouTube channel. Hello everyone. Ngayon birthday ng ating best friend. So, magkikitering tayo ngayon. So this is the place we're going to cater later, so we eat, okay? This is the birthday girl. So this is our guest. Yan. Ipadala to natin sa apa mo eh.
Asan yung apa mo?
Shout out! Sir Thomas.
Pwede kayo mag-partner niya nanay, no?
If you're not ready to go home, can I get a hell no? 'Cause Cause we gotta go all night, going through the sunlight. Alright, so la-da-dee-da-dee, we like to be.
She made it feel down.
Like a virgin. That's what the very
Annalyn!
time.
Annalyn!
Like a virgin.
Sayo ka na!
With your heart.
It's our pagkain for today, our sinigang. And what do you call this one, baby?
Sisig.
Sisig. Pork sisig.
Yes.
And this is niti. And this is salmon.
Salmon.
Yeah. Yes, salmon. Salmon, that is salmon.
How are you? Hi, Sawan.
And this is
Sawan viewers, dito tayo ngayon sa Flamingo. O si hi, happy birthday. So, birthday girl natin yan. Ang ulam natin ngayon.
oh, liligaya daw sila. Liligaya daw, liligaya daw. Yes, you're our pagkain for today. See for today. Sisig. Yan po yung sisig natin.
A few moments later.
So guys, tapos na ang ating video karaoke guys. So we're going to, where are we gonna go guys?
Dragon City.
So we're gonna go Dragon City.
We're going to Dragon City and taking pictures, and then maybe we
Then?
go shopping at Golden City.
Shopping? You have money?
Yeah, we have 100.
Pwede kayang mangutang doon sa Dragon.
Pwede installment.
See you
Ano yung ating beauty of the day?
So, see you there in Dragon City guys. Mga Pinoy naghanap daw ng kanilang jewelry.
You should lightweight. So thin, how much is that? Lagi masyado naman. Sobrang please. Sabi mo kasi thin.
Hi guys, nandito yung mga pilingera na bibili daw ng jewelry. Bibili ba ka ng jewelry?
Earrings, maybe small.
Earrings?
Malay mo. For the kids. How much today the gold? Stain, 3 angels. Angels. Ano yun? Angels na nakakita ko. O yung camera mo?